Quarter 1 GDP. Localized lockdowns during the second wave of COVID-19 helps construction activity to grow by 68.3% year on year. Financial, real estate and professional services sector manages to achieve 98.5% of pre-pandemic level. Afghanistan crisis, security logistics repair. What next for Kabul's airport? Why FPIs are singing a different tune when the Nifty is at a record high? Vida Clinical Research filing for 500 crore, 700 crore IPO. Sensex Nifty at new highs. How should investors position themselves? Indian envoy to Qatar meets Taliban leader, raises concerns over terrorism. Nike's corporate offices closed for week-long mental health break. RBI government working to get GSECs included in global indices. Gold tumbles by rupees 100, silver falls to 62,639. Indians receive 500 million Indians received first vaccine dose, says Mandavia. Centre's fiscal deficit touched 21.3% of annual target at June end. Trained manpower, additional capacity and better technologies needed for healthcare sector, Nirmala Sitharaman. Nazara Technologies eyes bigger pie of online skill games with OpenPlay acquisition. Government constantly engaging with industry to support economic revival, says Finance Minister. Quarter 1 GDP more of a statistic rather than a reflection of the state of economy. Japan ministry seeks 2.6% defense hike amid China worries. Indian aviation industry may incur losses worth 26,000 crore in FY22. Maria Tangavelu wins silver, Sharath Kumar settles for bronze in high jump. India's GDP grows 20.1% in April-June. Law must step in to address legitimate concerns of home buyers, says Supreme Court. Hard for rivals to beat us with our reach, costs Indigo's Ronojoy Datta. China says Afghanistan has turned new page after US withdrawal. These 34 stocks turned multi-baggers in Nifty's journey from 14,000 to 17,000. Quarter 1 GDP, agriculture continues to remain strong during the pandemic. Latest GDP figures show. A major Saurav Mukherjee bet is going soar quickly. Low base effect helps manufacturing sector growth soar but not reach pre-COVID levels. Infrastructure output of core sectors rise 9.4% in July 2021. What lies ahead for Afghanistan under Taliban? Ideas for profit, Suprajit Engineering. Instagram now requires you to share your birthday. India's GDP growth accelerates to 20.1% in Quarter 1 FY22 on low base. Core sector growth at 9.4% in July against minus 7.6% in year ago. RBI imposes monetary penalty on the Bihar State Cooperative Bank. April-June quarter GDP expands 20.1% compared to first quarter of 2021. RBI to conduct fine-tuning operations to manage one-off liquidity flows. Our endeavor is to grow our exports to FY15 level of 40% of sales, Cummins India CFO. Day trading guide, 2 stock recommendations. RBI to conduct fine-tuning operations to manage unanticipated liquidity flows, says Das. Maruti Suzuki sees production impact from semiconductor shortage. Nifty 50 in blue sky territory but a pause seen near the 17,200 level. Call writers get trapped as Nifty tops 17,000. Bank Nifty loses momentum. India's Maruti Suzuki sees production impact from semiconductor shortage. Sensex rallies 663 points to close above 57,000 mark. Nifty scales 17,000. Oil falls as hurricane causes damage and more. Latest beta build of Chrome tests technologies that make it easier to run games in your browser. Choosing the right type of desiccant is quintessential for your product's life. India adds new April-July fiscal deficit at about a fifth of budget estimate. How should mutual fund investors approach the frequent launch of new funds? 2021 Mercedes AMG E63